What is going on, guys? Welcome to GregglesTV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How is everyone doing, guys? Before we get into the news, I just wanted to give you a heads up. The reason the news is late is, if you didn't already know, I have a baby boy, and takes up a lot of my time, especially when I have to watch him alone. He will not let me put him down sometimes, and it's really basically impossible to get my video done. The only way I would be able to get video done with him is if I literally held him in my hands and did the news like this. Now, if you're interested in that and you're okay with that, leave it down below. He would be quiet probably, but there's gonna be some times this news will come out late. There's other times it'll come out pretty early, like 2 or 3 p.m. Pacific, but there's gonna be times it comes out, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 p.m. Pacific. So just keep in mind, I will always get the news out. You don't have to worry about that, but it's just a matter of when instead of, if. That's it, I guess. But anyways, guys, let's get into the news. First story of the day is that the Amazon sale of Ring doorbells has officially gone through. Amazon bought Ring a month or two ago, maybe 3 months ago, and that sale has officially gone through, and Amazon has lowered the price of the first generation Ring doorbell to $99. That's incredibly low for a security doorbell. So if you're interested in that, I will link it down below. I personally have the Nest doorbell. I freaking love it. You press the doorbell, and when the doorbell rings, it says someone's at the door at all my Google Homes, and you can turn that off if you want, but it's an awesome feature. I don't even have to hear the doorbell. I have Google Homes in all the rooms that I generally go in, like my bedroom, my office, my living room, my kitchen. Any room I'm in, basically, I can always hear that doorbell and know it, and I can look on my phone and talk to the person. You can do a lot of that stuff with the Ring doorbell as well. So I'll link that down below, like I said, but that sale has officially gone through, and that is a cool thing, and they give customers a little piece of excitement as well with that lower priced first generation Ring doorbell. And our last story of the day is about Xiaomi and GoPro. GoPro, if you didn't know, put themselves up for sale, and it looks like Xiaomi is going to purchase them. At least that's the rumor going on around right now, is that Xiaomi will buy GoPro for $1 billion. That's right, $1 billion. Xiaomi buying GoPro. We don't know really if this will officially go through, and we obviously don't know what's going to happen with it. Is Xiaomi going to keep that brand going as a separate entity and releasing these action cameras, or are they going to just use the name, or are they just going to buy the technology and not do anything with the name? That's the thing. I would love for them to really keep that GoPro name going and put out more cameras and things like that, because GoPro is a huge brand. I'd actually be surprised if they don't continue with that and release more action cameras that GoPro does. I think GoPro needs to improve a little bit, because if you look at something like the Sony X3000, the one I have, it's so much clearer, more steady. There's so many more things to like it, but at the same time, GoPro has a lot of cool things like waterproof without even having to put a case on, and video's okay, it's not bad, 4K 60 video. There's some cool things about GoPros. It's just a matter of getting them to that next step, and hopefully Xiaomi, if they buy them, does that. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. My question goes out to you guys. Do you have a security doorbell or a security camera at your front door? Let me know in the comments down below. I have one. Like I told you, I have that Nest Cam doorbell, and it's awesome. I love it. And let me know if you have something similar, or if you choose a security camera. And if you do, which security camera? That's it, guys, for your news. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. Peace.